Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to be talking about my top 3 stocks for the month of March, so next month. So stock number 1 is Tortoise Acquisitions, ticker symbol smpr. So these guys are a SPAC and they're merging with Volta Charging, who are basically an electric vehicle charging network. I'm bullish on these guys for a couple of reasons. One is that their growth rate that they're expecting is phenomenal. They're expecting to grow to $1 billion in revenue by 2025, which isn't that far away, and that is a huge growth rate for a company. Another is their very unique business model compared to their competitors. So they have 3 avenues to collect money from, and one is the actual charging revenue, 2 is advertisements and marketing, and 3 data. So in terms of attracting customers, these guys they allow people to have 15 minutes of free charging, and then anything after that people obviously pay for. So that's really good to attract clientele in the first place, and once people actually use their services and find out how good they are, then they're going to use them more often, and that will increase the customer base. So that's a really good initiative. And then data. So what they do is they work to collect data from the charging network. So things like how long you're charging your car for, or what kind of time of the day is most popular for people, things like that. And then they sell that data. And obviously work on that data to improve. So that's another revenue point. Another is marketing, advertising. So they're working with different retail companies, for example, other companies, to allow them to advertise their company on the site of their charging network, and that obviously creates a lot of revenue for the company too. And I feel that this stock has a really attractive valuation. If you look at other stocks in the space, another SPAC, Switchback, ticker symbol SPE, they're at something like $30 now, and these guys are under $15, so that shows you how much room they have to grow. Another TPGY, ticker symbol TPGY, so they're at $25 now. These guys are at $15, and in my opinion, they're better than both of them. And obviously, I think that in March the EV clean energy sector will boom again due to Joe Biden introducing new plans and infrastructure plans. So my price target for ticker symbol smpr is $25 in the short term. So I think by the end of March this stock should reach the price of $25. Next stock is Torchlight Resources, ticker symbol TRCH. Now these guys are an oil company, but they're merging with Metamaterials, who are a clean energy company, and they're a really unique company in that they use a completely different technology to other companies to try and improve solutions. So they use things like UV light and other types of new disruptive technologies that are really interesting. They also have a special dividend payment. So the oil land that they have, which is called the Oro Grande, so they're going to be selling all of that land, which contains billions of barrels of oil, and all the proceeds from that sale will go to the shareholders. So that dividend, I'm expecting it to be a good dividend, over 10-20%. So that will be another catalyst for the stock to go up in the near term. People trying to get in due to the dividend. And recently the stock did reach a high of close to $5, but then dropped due to a series of articles from Seeking Alpha and some other companies basically blasting the stock, saying it's really overvalued. In my opinion, they're not overvalued. These short reports and articles are completely wrong, and they're just there to profit from shorts. And also another catalyst is the partnership with Tesla. So Metamaterials have a current partnership with Tesla that not many people know about. And once that news goes out and people start to hear it, then a lot of people are going to be going into Torchlight stock, in my opinion. So short term, I definitely think it can break the highs of $5 in the very near term, 2 to 3 weeks. And then after the merger, which is due to be completed mid-March, I think this stock can go even higher, but my current price target is $5, which is around a 70% gain from here. Last one is Nano X Imaging, ticker symbol NNOX. Now these guys are a really disruptive company in the X-ray imaging space, and the technology that they have is phenomenal if it works. So they have submitted to the FDA asking for approval for one of their devices, and the FDA approval is imminent, and I personally think that the technology will get FDA approved simply because I've spoken to a couple of radiologists and medical professionals, and they've said this technology is first of all, it's possible, and two, it's a game changer in the healthcare field. So if this gets FDA approved, then I definitely think this stock can double or even triple. And in addition to this, the chart, in terms of technical analysis, the chart looks bottomed out and it's sitting at the support range of around 54 to 56. So, and in addition to this, Kathy Wood's buying more of this in the ARK Israel portfolio, and I think the fact that she's buying before the FDA approval may mean she's confident that they will get that, and is looking to get in before the actual catalyst has happened. So my price target for Nano X Imaging is $100 within the month of March. Thank you for watching, guys. If you'd like me to go over any tickers that you'd like to research on, then just let me know in the comments. Any suggestions, let me know. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.